find y double prime. So start by finding y prime. And for this problem, we're going to take power rule. So multiply negative 6 times 4 to get negative 24. Exponent goes down to 3. Okay. Plus multiply this 2 and 3 to get 6. Exponent goes down to 1. Let's take the derivative of this. And that's what y double prime is. This time multiply 3 by negative 24. Is that going to be negative 72? New exponent goes down to 2. Take the derivative of 6x. That comes out to be 6. So that's the second derivative for this equation. All right, now look at this one. We're going to rewrite this y. Rewrite it so that x is not in the denominator, but x has an exponent of negative 3. All right, let's get started with the first derivative. Multiply negative 3 by 2 to get negative 6 as the new leading coefficient. Exponent goes down to negative 4. Let's take the derivative of this one. So, multiply negative 4 by negative 6. That's going to give you positive 24. And the exponent goes down to negative 5. You can write this back in a fraction form as 24 over x to the 5th power. Okay? Now this one's gonna, the third one's gonna take me some time, so I'm gonna come back and give you a separate video on this. I'll come back on this one. But I'm gonna do the last one, number 4 here. Okay? We're finding the fourth derivative. Okay? So, because I don't want to keep on writing this notation, I'll just call this y. Okay? I'll say y is equal to 1 over x. But look, we're going to rewrite this 1 over x as x to the negative 1st power. I'm going to find the fourth derivative. Here's the first derivative. I bring down this negative 1 as the new coefficient, and I will get negative 1 x to the, you have to go down 1 from negative 1, so you go down to negative 2. So we found the first derivative. Let's continue this. Here comes the second derivative. Bring down this negative 2 to the front. And if you multiply negative 2 times negative 1, you get positive 2. And exponent goes down to negative 3. So that's the second derivative. And you know, we got to go on and find the fourth derivative. So let's do the third derivative, y triple prime. Or you can write it this way. The third derivative. I'm going to bring down this exponent of negative 3 and multiply it to positive 2. So we'll get negative 6 x to the, go down 1 from negative 3, we're down to negative 4. So that was the third derivative. Now let's go find their final answer, the fourth derivative. So take the derivative of this. Multiply negative 4 by negative 6, you get positive 24. And the new exponent is negative 5. So you can say that the fourth derivative of 1 over x with respect to x is 24 over x to the 5th power, or that's also correct. Okay, I'm going to actually start a new video to go over this third example because I think that's going to take us a little bit longer time. Okay.